Samwa kwa Badwam TV Badwam Jumadi eso yada se papa pa umre no wadaje yada Apostle Dr. Nite Kotegwase eni nkranhye sema wo de bre de du so no ye Badwam kase ensam no ne todwa mu bi ya obeti ne Attorney General de atora afenyo mark na nimosre no eni die mu a onya ya twetwe ne sede oye adwumayefo a wonmo eye wa adwuma no ye de ho nsam no ebebro. Director, former NSB director, so yachire no fi se sika kwabrane afa no eswani se okachire sansam ne nsem bi na no pay yede bro Adom TV Badwam kase a wo share live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra, Go TV 119, DSTV 280, uko YouTube search Adom TV Tube, kwa adomonline.com sansem we ni bebre so ewo ho midi de afia amankwa tamaklo Ghana Manti Augustus Studio na Daroma and address me fine sano. Any DMT said in 70 mu etie. Abain lawyer Penny, Dr. Dominic Kanyeni, editor minority leader, or Alexander Fenyomark in a name set. The beer was minority leader no. Oman so one yen a Juma said ye say, fata na onyai abay you my four, where Juma war yena, war tete wono, onya in one where Juma said ye mrano, eshawono. A central phone share media say no disansemi etuja.
There was nothing illegal or unconstitutional about what we did. But they are deciding to bastardize me and to bastardize the operatives of the national security by even saying that during the raid, which for me wasn't a raid, it was a constitutionally sanctioned search, they stole 10,000 Ghana cedis. Right? Now, what an insult. Okay? And that is what my Deputy Attorney General was referring to when he said that, you know, the constitutional immunity granted to MPs does not mean that they should abuse that immunity and then, you know, defame individuals or officials who are conducting normal business, normal public business. All right? And ladies and gentlemen of the media, let me tell you, we have a record of Addison and what he said about the rate. So if Fenyomark, the honorable minority leader, is daring me, we'll make that recording available. So he should desist from maligning law enforcement officers and myself for the work that we are doing. He should also take cognizance of the fact that I am the leader of the bar, and I will act in the best interest of the ethics of the profession.
It was so na former Director General of National Signals Bureau, Kwabnedu Buahi, in a yachire no, nyina se sika $7 million de odi agu ne private account mu or buying lawyer Penny was Minister of Justice Dominic Kanyeni. And I didn't say me to Jabra one in Central for AD and Common Church, Kwaya Hudua, or Redubuahi, one more etcher no, Nin Edginess Casamun Tawabia, one more a day abono.
And detention of Mr. Kobna Edibuahi and Madame Angela Adie Boato and other suspects on March 20th and March 21st, respectively. Mr. Dubois caused his private BNC to transfer an amount of 9,537,520 Ghana cedis to ISC holdings in Israel. By the exchange rate at the time, this amount was the Ghana cedi equivalent of 1,750,000 United States of American dollars. To justify or facilitate the transfer of the 9.5 million and the 9.5 million, Mr. Eduwani fraudulently attached a copy of the Government of Ghana ISC contract as well as an invoice which he held out as an invoice issued by ISC Holdings Limited or in respect of the Government of Ghana ISC contract. On March 18, 2020, and March 30th, 2020, respectively, he again transferred 21 million Ghana cedis from the National BNC Director's account at Fidelity Bank to the same private BNC account at UNB. The narration of the transaction indicated that it was for the payment of the cyber defense systems.
Adom TV Badwam kase na oguso ehwe na adwadifo a na no fia da to rencham to won wo danya na yi a wa pata wondwa ahye dwerabi wo Adom Kumasi no ne adwene bi a won mo anya sempanifo se won mo eba beye ekwan bi atoto honom ne ade na so mo mpene so fi se wo mo hu ne se wan hwe bewi akire no ebi nya baabi entena ana wo mu nya baabi ana wo mo tekane no entena emunsam ede
Tese so mo ja asase dia ene enkura no so mo ja school enti esra empanimfo se yesra wo mo se wo mo mfa yasase mayen na yeni ayenya yade ye no se ya wankura ye hwe wo mo enti wo mo de mayen na yeni ayesia na yeni ayetimi ahwe ye ma
ye suro se asase no ye betima lusu nti na yegina ha
yewura edi na chi agya yewura achamfo hene woni nananom ehia ye ade ofeso ama nananom se yemfa omo omo sympathies emamo na omo eso ehye mo nkran se de asi no eyamom na nso kwa bia omo so adwe mo ho mefa so a ombeboa mo madwuma asa atimi akoso no ombe ne saa na yasi seeing is believing omo so take a decision e de aboa government akwakoye ade a ebeboa na makru
wo jahihia hodo a yesi afibia mu a ese ya aka ho ne ntino me kasai parliament a yese committees mienu bi won mo nya hwehwemu de enti a abrebi eje toto market akese ene enkuma mpo ene mfia hodo mu.
Tragic fire outbreak that ravaged Adom business district, the vibrant commercial hub of Kumasi, located in Subi, my constituency, on the dawn of Friday, March 21st, 2025. Mr. Speaker, countless shops were engulfed by the raging flames, reducing decades of hard work, sweat, and lifelong investment of our traders and business people to ashes.
And wachi Nelson Roxon da Fiamagbo, ya ono ya majority chief whip. No say no should be junior which nema wona was out doing persuade so. And so chile mu dientia e ho hia se obeye se jashishen semi e mu hwehwemu.
And when these incidents happen, you normally will have the first 1 week people making solidarity messages and all. But people have lost their livelihoods. So, Speaker, the Adom matter, it's not just a matter of us expressing sympathies. People have lost whatever they have built for years and for decades. That these recent power outages, if it is not something that we nip in the bud, it can happen in my constituency. And so it's about time that we get a very concrete position and answers that we can take to even our people.
Yet was some Russia Bejani ma Tano North abatum pesia so wa hafo ye Dr. Gideon Boako na was it 2025 sika yecha 2 million cedis se Ghana National Fire Service nyenye adwuma no de ohunu ne sa ban no modern mo se wo bo Adom jafo ekire no etosini emunsam eni
na fire for no na bibia ntrobia mu kafie do ho ale excuses no do so mo be pakie you for all this work is here na some before who say bia mo ye adwuma na Munji ayi sanna na so di mo nya mo fani nya 1 2 3 4 5
Say video akwa abonteman paradoɔ na ha kyerɛ wɔ n'adwen de afa ho no na aka ho bi mamla hye bedwani a ogina modema adehye a wɔn ɛwɔ Tano North ɛyɛ Dr. Gideon Boako.
Ghana National Fire Service, the whole Ghana budget of President Mahama at the mark Ghana National Fire Service 2 million. 2 million. Regional Minister Nkwa budget 24 million. Ghana National Fire Service omo budget 2 million. Na just see no man to man na would you matama yeye etu omo jai sa settings no
Eno echi na mrahye bedwafo a wɔn ɛwɔ Kumasi a waka wɔn ho abomatiku a wɔn dwomtrani ɛyɛ omunyamfo Francis Asenso Boache wɔde atudwa to aban nim sɛ ebra so sɛ wɔhwɛ abɛfo kwan a yɛfa so dumgya na yɛkɔ anim no asɛm kesesei anto yɛ biem.
We must advocate for a robust urban planning measures that enforce land use regulations upgrade our waste management systems, and introduce stringent safety standards. The time has come for us to rethink how our urban spaces.
Badwam kasena oguso ehwe na Ghana metiofo edi edashonku wiase nyina da yehwe obade ebobre anase wiemu nsakraye eho esem no my Ghana womo any University of Leeds ko entiase ba kumu a won yese yenuan ma asebi won mo adi demonstro no won betumi ehunu wiemu nsakraye se de ho nsem no etie
ye dwumadi a yedi no people like people with disability omo and yamano nyina NCP ebi anane na afra ne nine anase bibi sa nipa nom no kwambe na se ye breach the gap na kwambe so na befa di omo so eden abam ye ni University of Leeds ye kitahodi a omo develop app we friend faster app na ye ni omo kan bom ama yen take over this app the abeboa yen how I first say the disseminate as information.
And which Minister of Communications Anamon Senior will be paid mediano ase and so ebo Ghana metu for basa watch dia one more so I crowd say and will be a here no whatever one sound so and a president of the Ghana Federation of Disability Organizations and also ebo one more abaso so what you know how the BBC eba.
Investment in modern meteo infrastructure, digital innovations, and improved data dissemination will also be prioritized to ensure that weather and climate information is accessible to all, especially vulnerable communities. Strengthening collaboration between GMET and other relevant institutions will further enhance Ghana's ability to anticipate and respond to climate-related challenges.
We appreciate the fact that we are now going to work together and make sure that the information given out about weather forecast is an accessible format for our people to assess and make sure they are.
Mentwa so na dodoi kope lorry station a okrachi nchumru mensi mo wo ti mantamo se neidie niema ekoso wo ho no enkoye finom ni ade age ho aboso pa ti ama hunidie no abafomo ho kase no ni bi akasa
dear a man ne pra or more muton ade no sometimes some motivate pra sometimes so a mo bra the click attach from so still ana zumuna for na mo so no omo so no omo ye omo bra e attach from mo muton ade wa so na omo fie say ya e station omo fie say ni pa enyina e drivers for ana mo so muton ade wa so ye ka omo fo ayo so
so almost almost more than 6 months. You go for now, but still, you need to so almost people. Until once, no matter once, once now, and no one.
No man, I was at the Mokrano, my Fazuna and so say, do Museum Joe Macau. No, man, and this is secretary. We are like the mom. Was about touching.
Pania we na adwuma se Chief of Defence Staff General Thomas Opompepra den sama hodo bia to hia se bambofo nyina ka won ho ebomu na yeboa ema bambomu ye den e wo my Ghana mu ofoforo ya wo bedi so ye General William Japan na won so den sama hodo etu dwa kwankwaja som ya ye de ama General Thomas Opompepra na nsemi ekoso.
Chief of Defence Staff asisi woko na humijimu General Thomas Opompepra Adom Mampeni John Dramani Mahama ase ene kane Mampeni Nana Akufo-Addo wakwenya womo edemano se womra emesum Ghana abra womo eja ne kwan amana kofie no dwumedie na sen wode tudwa ohaw awodo bia ofemu enhu behia se womanfo a womo Ghana Armed Forces ensu begina woni na so na womo nso etimi akọ nenim.
Express my sincere appreciation to former President Nana Addo and the current President of the Republic and Commander-in-Chief of the Ghana Armed Forces, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, for granting me the opportunity to serve my country. My tenure as the Chief of the Defence Staff has been a journey marked by challenges, growth, and unwavering dedication to our nation's security and well-being. My special gratitude goes to my service chiefs, my dear wife, and my dear children. I am grateful to you all for giving me the peace of mind and encouragement to soldier on. Annie?
Anya no so Badwam kase na ha na brema kwan na no pay ye de sie ni die mtwen ye na de bon krata no ene online de no wo ho ye mfa nto so ye kwa basisia.